How's it going, networking buddies, web server enthusiasts, network protocol lovers, sysadmins, Silicon Valley, programmers, engineers, DevOps, pen testers. So I don't know if you watched my last video. Who knows? I started my free trial with Amazon Web Servers, and I'm already in the whole $150 on my free trial. How does that work? So what anybody else would do that's interested in learning, I found out what was going on, why I was still getting billed, what I do to keep myself from getting this thing. I couldn't terminate it. So basically, I built a couple of things. They were mad. I built a web server. Well, I didn't build it. I launched a EC2 instance with Kali Linux. Boom, 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 it's working. However, I was using a Windows desktop and I couldn't figure out how to remote desktop into it. But nevertheless, I was able to use it, launch attacks, launch Metasploit, set remote host. I was able to do something with the thing, right? Cool. I turned it off. It's not really charging me nothing. Like, it's whatever. I tried Nimble Studio. The first time I tried to do it, it didn't work. So I did a studio builder. Boom, boom. And then you do the studio builder, then you got to actually launch it. So I did that. It gave me 2 instances, but it built me a cluster. So if you start getting charged more money than you knew you were supposed to, all of a sudden it's like, it's the cluster. So the whole time I'm terminating, stopping. I did it 2-3 days in a row. It don't go away because it's a fucking cluster. So I finally found that, got rid of that, But then you know what I did? And this is the part that really just, I signed up for azure, Microsoft, and I signed up for Google Cloud. And when I tell you that Google Cloud is so user friendly, before you even launch your instance, you can live configure that thing, and it's gonna price you out by the month, by the minute, hour, all that. Do you know how important of a tool that is for somebody that's just trying to, spend a little bit of money learning and actually maybe? So my whole thing is, okay, I need a render farm available. So I don't know. They have these NVIDIA farms and images that you can launch. I don't know if they come stacked with Blender. If these programs you just got to enter a license key or something. I don't know how that works, but I'm gonna find out. But the problem is those things cost thousands of dollars a month. And what I need to do, or need to find out, okay, if I if I launch an instance on Google and it costs $1,500 a month, right? and I work on it for 4 hours, and they say it's $3 or $2 an hour to use 96 virtual computers with whatever, 300 gigs of RAM, some crazy shit. Am I gonna be charged for the whole month?